Europlacer proudly presents the ii-P7, the latest in a long line of premium stencil printing machines. The new EPS software underpins an enhanced user experience presented on a large 22-inch touchscreen monitor for easy navigation. The ii-P7 confirms Europlacer's reputation for low cost of ownership with a simplistic design, intelligent control system and maintenance-free printhead. Its unique machine calibration capabilities ensure exceptional print accuracy for small devices. Machine takt time of the new ii-P7 has greatly improved, meaning the platform can confidently perform across the spectrum of high-mix and high-volume manufacturing environments. Enhancements in underscreen cleaning reduce paper roll changeover to under 10 seconds. The optional single pass cleaner enables confident processing of more boards. The ii-P7 offers a suite of connectivity tools such as CFX, Hermes and remote machine monitoring. The Europlacer ii-P7, when precision meets performance.